Chinese authorities on Sunday launched a Level 4 emergency response for floods in Sichuan and Chongqing, the Ministry of Emergency Management said. Meanwhile, the authorities decided to maintain the Level 4 emergency response for floods in Shanxi and Gansu, the ministry added. Rainy days are forecast to persist in West China over the next 10 days, with the cumulative rainfall significantly higher than normal years, according to the country's meteorological authority. Heat waves have engulfed most parts of the 4 provincial-level regions since July, causing the soil to become dry, hard and cracked, which increases the risk of natural disasters once rains hit. The 4 regions should strengthen early warning and emergency response for floods and relocate residents in disaster-prone areas in advance, the ministry said. China has a 4-tier flood control emergency response system, with Level 1 being the most severe.